Welcome to the 2024 Seraph Operational Excellence Awards.
To become really what this is all about, a company of excellence is all about the engagement of the people, where people feel that they're not just involved, but are so much contributing to the success of that operation. And so today, it really is a celebration of people.
Everyone here comes from a legacy that supported that and enabled that to happen. We want to recognize those people here in North America that are focused on automotive manufacturing excellence, and I'm really thrilled to have each and every one of you here tonight.
The Seraph Operational Excellence Awards is a search across North America, shining a light on our hardworking automotive suppliers, highlighting those achievements in operational excellence within their organizations and teams. These awards specifically evaluate each supplier on their achievements within operations, logistics, human resources, and quality.
I'm Ambrose Conroy. I'm the founder of Seraph. Manufacturing is not an easy business in any way, shape, or form. And we started this process last year and we're growing it. And it's all about recognizing people that are in manufacturing, that are in operations. There's not a lot of glory in operations. We're the forgotten people that are in the back. But operations really are the heart of a company. It's where we make our profit. And if you focus on the operations, if you get the operations right, everything else looks easy. We've got 6 exceptional suppliers. We're really excited to have each of you here. The ZF Tuscaloosa, Alabama team, the Yazaki North America team from Chihuahua, Mexico, the Flex team from Guadalajara, the Cooper Standard team from Aguascalientes, represented by the corporate team, and Costal Automotive from Holland, Michigan. And last but not least, Webasto, our local team. So we also have some absolutely amazing judges. These judges have given their time and put a lot of effort into helping us find and identify some of the best operations that are out there.
Next, I would like to introduce you to someone that we all greatly admire. If you don't know Jan Griffiths, you should take some time to get to know her.
We are here tonight to shine a spotlight on those companies that get it. You are in this room tonight because you get it. Seraph gets it. They know the leadership and culture that's needed in this industry. So please join me in shining a spotlight on the best of the best tonight.
Coming from the nonprofit world myself, I know how important it is to fundraise and to give back to those in your community that are in need. So tonight, we have donated $5,000 to each of our judges' charities of choice.
Our mission is unapologetically patriotic, and it's very simple. Provide life-changing educational scholarships to the severely wounded or fallen soldiers and first responders. This mission is not a red mission, and it is not a blue mission. It is a red, white, and blue mission. We must take care of our servicemen and women.
Our mission at Mary Free Bed is restoring hope and freedom through rehabilitation. And Mary Free Bed comes from humble beginnings. In Grand Rapids, Michigan, over 130 years ago, a group of women came together and they passed a hat throughout the community asking anyone who knew someone named Mary to donate 10 cents to support a bed in a local hospital. These women were successful in supporting a bed at a local hospital, and it became the first Mary Free Bed. But little did these women know that their efforts would grow to beyond just a bed in a hospital, but actually grew to become a rehab hospital system with partnerships of 35 hospitals in and outside of Michigan.
My name is Brad Tolley. Good evening. I'm happy to be here with everyone today. Amin and I will walk you through some interesting insights that we had. When I was asked to be a judge for the Operational Excellence Award, I knew immediately the impact that this has on the supply base. To have a chance to really focus and give our attention to the successes, the hard work, and everything that goes into being a supplier. as almost all of us know here, the automotive industry is very challenging, it's very demanding, and it's ever changing. And these suppliers not only found their way through that, they excel in that.
We are what we make. And so immediately with those words, it makes you think, if we make excellence, we too, by virtue, are excellent. And so to all the participants, to all the award winners, you are what you make.
Hi everyone, my name is Mariana Flores and I'm very, very excited and thankful to be here surrounded by such amazing leaders from plants all across the United States and also in my hometown of Mexico. So very thankful to be here. I do want to talk a little bit about my experience when being a part of this program and when visiting the plant. I was one of those people that had never been in a manufacturing plant before, so I didn't really know what to expect. But this program has really been an exceptional opportunity that I've been so happy to be a part of.
I'm Redford. I study data science at UC Irvine. I graduate in 2 weeks. Crazy. This experience has not only prepared me, but inspired me to go further into this world and build a place for myself. Seraph, you have kickstarted my journey to help the leaders of this industry build the future. So for that, I just want to say thank you.
So let's do what we came here to do tonight. And let's share the award winners for our Operational Excellence Awards. Please join me in congratulating this year's winner in the operations category for excellence, Yazaki Components, Chihuahua.
ZF Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Coastal Automotive, Holland, Michigan.
Cooper Standard, Aguascalientes.
Please join me in congratulating this year's winner of the Honorable Mention Award, Operational Excellence, to Gravitas Detroit.
This year's Best Plant overall winner goes to Flex, Guadalajara, Mexico.
Wow, what a night, eh? Great to see all of you out here tonight. Congratulations to all of the winners here tonight.